Do you know that you could make such beautiful chimes just using a simple plastic bottle? Come, let me show you. So basically, you'll have to cut out the plain thin portion of the bottle, like this film, transparent film that I'm holding. And then all you have to do is draw your design on that transparent film. Now you can get many design ideas from the internet. You can keep it on your mobile phones and trace out the design. It's quite easy. Here I have made a simple heart blue color with dots. That's it. And once your design is done, all you have to do is cut out the design that you have created. Thereafter, you will heat up that design. For that, you'll require candle. And with the help of a pair of tweezers, just hold that hard portion on top of the flame. Now you'll have to keep switching sides, else it will look weird from one side. It will start bending in different forms. Need not worry, because once you tilt it on the other side, it will start bending in the opposite direction. So don't worry if it's bending around, just change positions and try to adjust it. Last to last, if the position is not adjusting, when it's hot, keep it on a flat surface and press it. So you'll get a shape somewhat like this. So I have made 2 of such hearts and I'll be hanging one as a charm. To do that, I will make a hole with the help of a pin and heating the pin up and then just pressing it against that heart that I have drawn. And then with the help of a jump ring, I am going to hang it to my bracelet as a charm. So there, that's it. That's how simple it is. And that's how cute it looks. Do let me know in the comments if y'all like this tip, trick or hack, and do share it with others. For more of such interesting tips, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye.